Hello, my name is Jason Marhall. Welcome to Russ Darrow Kia. I am a sales specialist, Kia certified here at Russ Darrow Kia Wauwatosa. And I have a few questions I'm going to answer for you guys about my holiday experience. So, the favorite Christmas present I was gifted was a guitar string restringer because I play a lot of songs that break the strings on the guitar, so I was really happy about that. My favorite thing I did over Christmas, besides eating the food, was probably seeing my niece, who's 1 year old. My little niece Zelda, I love her. And do I prefer Christmas or New Year's? And I actually prefer New Year's, and the reason being is because New Year's is like 10 minutes longer on the day than Christmas. Just the days get brighter, and it's a new year. And then my New Year's resolution is, ladies, I'm single, so I'm trying to get a girlfriend. That's pretty much it. I really appreciate being here. I love the management. I love James, Kevin. They brought me on, and I'm excited for 2023. So thank you.